Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to set up Cuggl Baby Gate. Firstly, setting up your Cuggl Baby Gate is essential for ensuring your child's safety. Pressure fit safety gate, extra wide safety gate, or wall fixed safety gate. This is the models you can use. Read the instructions manual and define like pressure fit safety gate, extra wide safety gate, or well fixed safety gate. Position the gate within your doorway or hallway and adjust the tension bolts until the gate fits securely. Ensure for lock-in mechanism functions correctly before use and mark drilling points on your wall using the gate's brackets as a template. Drill holes and insert appropriate wall plugs. Attach the gate securely using screws and test the gate to confirm it's firmly installed and operates smoothly. Ensure the gate opens and closes without obstructions and verify it is securely mounted and doesn't wobble. Regularly inspect the gate to maintain its safety over time. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.